Comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Hey guys, MJG here, and today we'll be reviewing Megalodon remote control car. Here's the front of the box. Flip it to the side. Megalodon. Flip it to this. You have Megalodon, MonsterJam Dalmatian, Gravedigger, and Megalodon right there. So, let's open this. Alright. I can't get it out. Here we go. I might do it off camera like that. These even come with complaint cards. That's cool. Alright. Gotta get this stuff off. Alright, I can't seem to find a way to. So there we go. And don't use a knife without someone's permission. Hold those up. Okay, there's a controller. I'm just trying to rip this thing out. Taking no precaution with it. Alright, and that's it. That looks really cool. Instruction manual. Looks like we have to have a screwdriver, so I will be right back and get one of those. Alright, we got batteries in it, as you can see, and this thing gets for how small it is. Alright, let's take a look at the details to it. It says Megalodon right here. It's got like the gills right there. It says MonsterJam right here. And these are not printed on. They are stickers, as you can see. These are stickers too. Flip it around this side. It says the exact same thing. This whole body right here is made out of plastic. And the eyes are, I think they're printed on. Yeah, they're printed on. And the teeth are, they're not, they're pretty sharp if you press up against them, but if you go like this, they're not sharp. But it's got rubber wheels, which is really nice. I like that. It's got a gray rim. It says BKT on the tires. I know what these things are called, but I always forget them. It's got a black chassis. Got a black roll cage. And let's compare this to the 1/64 scale truck. And let's go for the side view. All right. The wheels are different, and I can obviously tell this is not a sticker. But, let's get that camera a little higher. That's a little lighter than this one because it's made out of plastic. That's probably why. But, yeah, I like it. I don't know how much it was because SpinMaster sent it to me, but it's probably like maybe $10 to $15 or $20. Probably $15 if I had to guess, but let's show you the remote control now, if I can find it. What did I do with it? Okay, I found it. Alright, here it is. It's got a sticker MonsterJam logo right here. This one turns the wheels. This one goes forward and back. The back doesn't say anything except a bunch of mumbo jumbo on it. And, yeah, I like how it fits in your hand. But I can obviously tell this is made for littler kids. But it's okay. I like it because it's got like these grips right here where your thumb doesn't slide off of it. But yeah, I like it. Now let's see the size difference to a 1/24 scale truck. Huh. I think it's just about as big actually, except the tires are a little bit smaller. Don't actually know. Okay, yeah, they're the same size. Now let's compare it to a 1/43 scale truck. I think that's what the scale is anyway. The rev and roar. Okay, I'm sorry for that ear rape. Gosh dang, those things are loud, but yeah. Let's get on the ground and let's test this. Alright, let's see if this thing can hit that ramp and do a pretty decent sized jump. I've not tested this yet, so it'll be a first for you and me. So 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, kinda does. Screw you, box. Not the easiest thing to turn around though, but none of the RC cars really are. Let's turn it back around, and 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! I'm gonna have to get a slow motion of that. That was awesome. Alright, let's do that one more time. Woo! Alright, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely consider smashing the subscribe button and like and subscribe. Peace out. MJG out. You hear that voice crack, Kristen? 'Cause I sure did.